Alright, here we are with the part 2 of lecture 7. I hope you have learned the lesson what you watched in part 1 of lecture 7. Okay, the second part, as I mentioned, it is about speaking, and it's very important and you want to speak. So it's time to check yourself, test yourself, and get ready yourself so that you can speak uh, more and more. Okay, बोलने की हम बात कर रहे हैं, so you can speak, but it's very different, it's very difficult sometimes that when you speak by your mind, okay, without watching or without thinking, like you have to speak on the spot, आपको मौके पर बोलना होता है. So this speaking activity is same like that. Okay, you will answer the questions as we did previously. So let's come towards this topic. We are discussing about past simple tense, and we discussed in the first part. We learned that about past simple tense, that we use past for the events what happened in past. So the activity speaking is related to the past. Okay, we learned present tense and we just practice present tense in hobbies. We learned past tense and now we will just practice it in past events. So let's focus. Very important point. Past events, we have some time expressions. There are some specific words which indicates, जो हमें बताते हैं, इशारा करते हैं, help करते हैं, hint देते हैं कि वो past tense है. वो क्या है? For example, yesterday, last month, last year, last day. Okay, a week, a month, or a year ago. ठीक है? Like you can use any of the word. A week ago, a week before नहीं, a week ago, a month ago, a year ago. Sorry. Okay, the day before yesterday, like परसों, yesterday, the day before yesterday, मतलब कल नहीं, कल से पिछला दिन. Okay, in 1990 कोई अब साल, like 2002, मतलब आपको स्पेसिफिक साल की बात कर रहे हैं, तो वो भी आपका पास्ट जो टाइम एक्सप्रेशन शो करता है. आप वक्त की बात करें कि मैं 10 बजे वहाँ गया था, I went there at 10 o'clock, तो टाइम भी जो है आपका जो है टाइम एक्सप्रेशन जो है आपको पास्ट को इंडिकेट करता है. मार्च कोई महीना, the baby got birth in March, बच्चा जो है मार्च में पैदा हुआ था, so that we can use in that manner. कोई दिन, on Monday, I did not go to university on Monday. Fine. So these are the time expressions, very crucial, very important. It can help you out. But remember, very important point. हम जब पास्ट के टाइम एक्सप्रेशंस की बात करते हैं तो या तो वो शुरू में इस्तेमाल होते हैं, in the beginning, या तो वो एंड में इस्तेमाल होते हैं, बीच में कभी इस्तेमाल नहीं होते. वो हमेशा जुमले के शुरू में इस्तेमाल होंगे या एंड में. याद रखिएगा, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रूल. अगर आप इसको फॉलो नहीं करते तो बहुत बड़ी गलती होगी. द सेंटेंस विल बी इनकरेक्ट ग्रामेटिकली. तो टाइम एक्सप्रेशन पास्ट में जो है या तो शुरू में होंगे या तो आखिर में होंगे. लास्ट टाइम आई सॉ यू लास्ट टाइम. ओके, तो लास्ट टाइम शुरू में होंगे, आखिर में. नाउ टाइम टू मेक फन और टाइम टू फन. नाउ इट्स योर टेस्ट. Here are 10 questions I have got, but these questions are WH questions, question words. So it is going to give you opportunity. It will help you to speak as much as possible. These are the questions. What you will do? It is one of your assignments. Assignment का part है आपका. What you have to do? You have to make a video. Okay. After introducing yourself, you will answer the question. You will watch the question, only question, no answer. Okay. You watch the question, you read the question, like how was your day? My day was whatever. Okay, I am giving you the possible answers. If these questions are asked to me, what answers will I give? So it can help you out, like how to give the answers. Okay, so I will go short and I will go quick. Question number 1, how was your day? Remember, it's all about past. All the questions are in past, so you have to answer in past tense. No present, no future. Okay, जिस टेंस में सवाल होगा उसी टेंस में जवाब होगा. That is the basic rule of grammar. Be careful about that. How was your day? My day was interesting, or my day was excellent. Okay, fine. Short हो गया. ठीक है, इसमें आगे अगर मैं तो इसमें ऐड करता हूँ. Why? Because I went to it was same like routine. I went to college and just returned and then had lunch, then complete routine I had. But the interesting part was that I visited to my friend, and he served me my favorite dish. Like any reason. Why? You have to give the reason, proper reason, because. Okay. Second question, how was your weekend? My weekend was excellent because इसमें भी वाई लगा like आपको मौका मिलेगा बोलना. अगर आपका सवाल सिर्फ इतना ही, how was your weekend? So my weekend was good. Answer is complete. Okay. जब why आ गया तो फिर आपको explain करना है. तो you have to focus that सवाल किस तरह किया हुआ है. How was your weekend and why? My weekend was excellent. It was super. It was boring. जो भी हो, for example, it was usual. I stayed at home and I did daily routine works, and I just hang out with my friends in the street. I could not go out, and most of the time I stayed at home. Weekend. Third, who was your best friend at school? Why? Why means why he was your best friend. It means that. So my best, one of my, there were many good friends, but my best friend was Samir, because there are many reasons I can give, but the prime reasons are that he always cared me and shared his things, and we shared the things with each other, and he really helped me in my assignments, and we really made fun in our school time, and we used to tease others, and we really enjoyed it. Okay, together. We spent most of the time we spent time together, because he was also my classmate, or we were together in the same madrasa, okay, in the same school. So we spent all the time, and we used to play together, and almost we spent most of the daytime together. So that's why he was the best friend. Okay, what place did you visit last time? Okay, I visited Safari Park last time, and इसको आप explain कर सकते हैं, because I visited a surprise. And what did you do? What did you do there? अब आप explain करेंगे. So I visited Safari Park last time with my mom. And it was basically an amusement park, so we visited. We just enjoyed the rides, and it was my first experience. I had never been there, so I watched the animals, and I just observed the different places. It was quite big in area. So in short, I really enjoyed it, and I had an ice cream there as well. I love ice cream. Okay, what did you have yesterday in dinner? Or how it was? What did you have? Yesterday I had in iftar actually. I had my favorite. My mom's handmade biryani, and it was delicious. It was very delicious. It was very tasty, and I really enjoyed it. I love to have biryani. Alright, fine. When did you call your best friend, and why? What did you talk about? What you talked about? Okay, there are two manners. दो तरह से सवाल किए जाते हैं. Remember, आप इसको grammatically जो अगर ज़्यादातर ढूंढते हैं तो उसमें did इस्तेमाल होता है. What did you talk about? ये फर्स्ट हो जाएगी. इस तरह भी आप सवाल पूछ सकते हैं. ओके, बट आप कोशिश करेंगे आप did like सवाल जब करें तो भाई मुझसे सवाल करें. इस तरह में सवाल पूछा सकते हैं. स्पोकन में ये आप बोल सकते हैं. So when did you call your best friend, and what did you talk about? I called my best friend almost a week ago, or a week or 8 days ago. A week ago or 8 days ago. Okay, a week ago, and we talked about this lockdown. And we discussed the circumstances or the situation, the conditions of different countries of Europe. It was because the situations are getting worse day by day, and we also discussed about shopping of coming event, and we just shared our thoughts regarding the days. Next question, where did you go shopping in previous Ramadan for Eid, and what did you buy? Okay, there's some spelling. What did you buy? Okay, in previous Ramzan, I went to Zainab Mall in Sadar, and I also went to Karim Center for different there are different shopping markets. I did not go to mall. I just went to the markets. Okay, I guess it's not a mall. Then there is Medina Mall. I just went there for window shopping, but I just purchased. I just bought the things. Bought my shirts and pants and one ready-made sherwani from there, and I just bought one dress as well from there from the Chana market and Karim Center as well. Okay, next question. With whom did you fight last time and why? Yes, fighting. Many people like fighting. Alright, fine. By the way, I don't like to fight either. I just want to remain calm and make others calm. For instance, I had a dispute, clashes of sentences. So I had a dispute with one of my friends, and the reason was like he was not returning me my amount. I just lended him amount and it took so long, and still he is just denying the amount. So that was the reason. Okay, I prefer not to fight. Okay, what was the last drama serial you watched and last time, and what you liked the most about that? Okay, yes, I watched a couple of drama serials in the previous year, but the last time I watched was Cheek. I guess the actress name is Saba Kamar, and the best thing about that it was full of thrill, and there was too much drama, and like every episode was something new, and it was very interesting to watch. And I also wish to watch, and I just watched some of the episodes of talk about second Raja Raja Kardi, one of the dramas I really liked, Maze Maze, the very famous dialogue of Imran Ashraf. So I really liked it. So that's the way I just talk about drama. Last but not the least, who was your favorite teacher at school and why? In school, there were many good teachers, but my favorite teacher was my favorite teacher was actually, I was not that much, what to say. Okay, my favorite teacher was Miss Bilkis, because she was one of the teachers who really appreciated me all the time. I was quite young, I was the youngest student of my class by height and by also age. So she was one of them who used to motivate me a lot, and I was good at English grammar, so she was an English teacher, so she really supported me. And above that, my favorite teacher, the male teacher, because I have some interactions with him, Sir Arif Bartlett. He's from may Allah increase his position in Jannah. He was one of my favorite teachers at school. He was basically principal of my school, and I really loved him. His sentences were really interesting. Like its dialogues, it was really fun, and we really enjoyed that. So here we go. These are the answers. See, I did not write. I did not know what should be the answer. So when you will speak, so you will have the answer in your mind. Okay, it's okay. You will hesitate. Your sentences will go wrong, but try not to write the answer. Okay. If you are confused that is जुमले को English में क्या बोलते हैं, so you can write. But if your answer, you have the answer in your mind, so then no need to write. Okay. If you will write, you will stick to that. अगर आप लिख लोगे तो फिर आप वही जुमला बोलोगे. आपने पास्ट इंडेफिनिट पढ़ लिया, अब आपने पास्ट इंडेफिनिट बोलना है by yourself. So it's enough. Now it's time for part 3, the last part. It is regarding one of the topics. So just like a request from my students, difference between look, watch, and see. So let's move on to the third part. I guess you learned, and there were many questions It was my turn. It was mine, and now it's your turn. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.